Hello guys, welcome to Check in English. This time we're going to be talking about adjectives. Yes, interesting. Today we're going to see what is an adjective. And it's very easy. Something very important and very easy to understand. An adjective is a word that is part of a sentence or speech that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Yeah, it's the same information we have here. So part by part it says an adjective, right? An adjective is a part of a sentence that modifies or describes. This word is very similar in other languages, so it's very easy to understand, right? When we say describe, we are referring to like a definition of a noun or a pronoun. The question is, what is a noun and what is a pronoun? Nouns are names. A noun equals a name, equals. So nouns are names. And pronouns, right? Here is in singular, but pronouns are like subject pronoun when you say I, you, he, she, it. So those are pronouns. We have different subject pronoun, we have object pronoun, adjective pronoun, etc., etc., etc. So one example for you to understand better is the cat or the big cat was hungry. So we need to identify, obviously the cat is the animal, so the animal is our noun. So we say the big cat was hungry. Big is, of course, the adjective. Yes, the big cat was hungry. And hungry, right, is describing the status of the cat. So hungry is as well an adjective. Adjectives often comes before a noun. Attention here, noun. Before, right? See this word here? Before means to the back. Before. Right? You see? The adjective comes before a noun. So first the adjective and later the noun. And that's it for tonight. I hope you guys liked this video. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.